Hi, today we're gonna do remove the rear door panel and change the lock on an E70 X5 2007. We're gonna need this tool and the T20 bit. Alright, we are gonna replace the actual lock assembly because this lock doesn't work automatically. Okay, we're gonna remove this trim here. Gonna pry it out. There we go. I'm gonna remove this trim here. That's it. That's a T20 bit. We're gonna go right in here. Take this one off. Go right in here. This one's kind of deep inside. Might need an extension. There we go. Notice the two screws that go in the handle are shorter than the one that goes up in here. And then we have two more screws at the very bottom of the panel, just from underneath. Right, there's one right here, and there's one right here. I'm gonna take those off. Okay, we got them off, 5 screws. One of them's long, and the long one goes here. Now I'm gonna have to start popping this panel, like start from down here. Set this down for a second. There we go. There we go. Alright. I'm just gonna unclip all these wires out. So we got 1, 2, 3 that goes down to the light, 4 it goes to the window button, and 5 that goes to the light. Actually, we don't have to take this one off. It's just coming here. I'm gonna have to pop this one off here. This will change on the lock. Just pull it out. You can see that. Alright, now we'll have to remove this thing here. It's just that sticky stuff. There's the wire harness through it. Just working with one hand doesn't work sometimes. This stuff will stick right back. All you have to do is push it back on and it'll stick right back. I'm gonna leave it here for a moment. There you go. This is what we're replacing. Oh. We can pull this out. It just goes right in there. So we'll set it on the side. Alright, this plug right here. It's got two clips, one on the top, right there, and one on the bottom from the side, right from this side. So one on the top, one on the bottom. Just gonna clip this a little. So two clips, and it comes right off. Now we have 1, 2, 3, look like 2 T30. Yep, T30. Hold it. There you go. There's another one. 3 screws. We're just gonna slide it down so we can get to the back. Okay, we got it out. Obviously, this is what it is. This is the replacement one that's used. The most challenging parts of getting this out is taking off this cable that actually sits on the back of this. So if this is sitting inside the door like that, that cable hooks back here. And basically you'd have to pull it from this end out, then pull it toward you and unclip it from this. It's I can't even see it, so you'd have to just feel for it, and the challenge is basically putting it back on. Other than that, reverse everything and it should be good to go. Thank you for watching.